I hereby declare that the 2026 Provincial Athletic Meet officially opens. Let the competitions begin.
Provincial Athletic Meet, we stand as one, one out till the victory's won. Jump, fight, aim for the sky, with faith and strength, together we fly. Aura, feel the pride, with sportsmanship as our guide. Win or lose, we still proclaim glory and honor for Abra.
Pisyalen analukatan ti Abra Provincial Athletic Meet 2026 nga daan tema Strength and Unity in the Colors of Sports. Narugyan aktibidad babaen ti parada dagiti atleta manipod public and private schools ti probinsya. Kada team adaan na isagana ayel.
UN97, UN97 na! Aha! Peñarobia, langiten, langiten! United, united! Arriba! Umayo pa ng ingata! Arriba! Arriba! Let's go, son! Fight, fight, big fight! Let's go, son! Fight, fight, big fight!
Buklen ti 2,500 ti bilang ti delegasyon ti Provincial Athletic Meet 2026. 10 zones ken 15 units iti agbabalubal ti 27 sports discipline ituneg tupat nga aldaw. Ti panakaangay ti Provincial Athletic Meet ket saan laing nga panagtulnog ti mandato ti DepEd. Ngem ket di may sa kadagiti napateg nga agenda ti agdama nga administrasyon.
Learners' physical and mental well-being will be protected. So the conduct of this Abra Provincial Athletic Meet is a very significant venue that will provide the enhancement, the honing of the talents and the skills of our Abreño learners.
Sang-sang kamaysa dagiti delegasyon ang nagsapata para ti pudno nga espiritu iti sportsmanship. Namnamahan ti DepEd ang nakasagana amin a participants ken makapataod kadagiti atleta ang mangibagi iti probinsya.
Hopefully, with the very successful conduct of this Provincial Athletic Meet, we will be able to scout and produce our athletes for the Kara Meet this coming February. A very competitive and very active athletes para ti Kara 2026.
Inpeteng da Kong JB Bernos ken Kong Ching Bernos ken ti gobyerno probinsyal iti agtultuloy a suportada iti benneg ti edukasyon.
Rest assured that the office of Kong Ching and Kong JB Bernos remain fully committed to supporting initiatives like this. Our doors are always open to encourage wider participation in sports, not only here in Abra, but across the entire country. To all the participants, give it your absolute best. Enjoy the spirit of the game and make the most of this provincial meet.
The Governor and the Vice Governor assure you that the provincial government of Abra will continue to support programs like this. Patsenit kabelanyo, ken adda kami lat paditoy amang suporta kada kayo. And that is a promise.
Nabigbigmet dagiti pagadalan ang nagperform kabayatan to opisyal apan naglukat ta aktibidad. Naduma-duma man a kulay, manipod iti naduma-duma a pagadalan. Babayan iti sports competition, makaadal ti disiplina, respeto, teamwork, ken perseverance dagiti participants. January 14 tinaituding nga awarding ceremony kadagiti agbalegi iti naduma-duma nga sports discipline. Jessica Boreta, Balitang Solid North.